Good morning. I just got back from a doctor's appointment for the baby. I heard his heartbeat, sounded good, measured. I think that was also good. I don't know, they didn't say, but I'm assuming that they would have if there was a problem. But oh man, I didn't want to go today. Since I'm having a C-section, they don't really do anything. And so this morning when I woke up, I was so tired and I was like, do I really need to go? I feel fine. Then I was like, I better go. My doctor's actually going to be out of town next week. So better to be safe than sorry. Go in there and have the checkup, make sure everything sounds good, especially because he's going to be leaving. Casey's gone right now. So it's like, don't let anything happen this week or next week. And then it's baby time. So I have like a little over a week and a half, which is wild. I need to make a list of all the things that I need to get done, and then I need to like do one of those things every day. And they're just little things. Like I want to color my hair. I color my own hair. So I need a day that I'm going to color my hair, and I need to do my nails. I do my own nails also. A day that I'm going to do my nails. And I promised Layla that we'd get pedicures this weekend. So we're gonna go and get pedicures. Braylee won't be here, which is such a bummer. I mean, maybe I'll have to go get another pedicure with her next week. I don't know, we'll see. And then like put the crib together, wash all the baby stuff, fold all the baby stuff, get all the baby stuff ready, check off the list of baby things that I need or have, or I don't know, might need. I don't know, oh my gosh. I feel so ready to be done with this pregnancy because it's been a rough one and I don't mean to complain. So grateful, but it's been difficult and I'm very, very ready for that to be over. But I'm still just like, do I have everything I need for a baby? Do I remember how to have a newborn baby? I know once I have the baby and I have him and it's gonna just, everything's gonna feel right. But right now my anxiety is like, all the time. And so then I just take a nap. I don't think that's the way I should be dealing with it. But also I don't think that I need to be freaking out. So it's okay. Anyway, I also have to plan a day next week that I can have a little yes day with Winston because I haven't had Winston's yes day or Braylee's yes day. So next week I need to do that. Just like a little yes day. Winston already told me he wants to go to, we have a little like sports store in the mall and he just wants to go there and then to dinner. So that's really cute. Just an easygoing little yes day. I can't stop looking at my flowers. They're so pretty. They make me so happy. I was just thinking about how I used to tell Casey all the time, don't get me flowers. It's such a waste of money. And as I've gotten older, I just love them. I love seeing them. I love getting them. I love flowers. They're just so pretty. I mean, I don't want to get them all the time, but to get them for like anniversary and Valentine's Day, I just really look forward to it. I love it. I've also made a list of some videos that I want to do. I definitely want to do an update video with Casey. So once he's home next week, I'm going to film an update video with him, just talking about the pregnancy. And if you guys have any questions for us, please leave them in the comments. I'm going to go through all the comments on this video. I thought that would be really fun to answer some questions and just talk about having 5 kids and the surprise and I just really want to hear what he has to say about that. I mean, we talk about it all the time, but I just think it will be so fun to sit down with him and talk about it. He's been so great this pregnancy, like so great. I don't know what I would have done without him just doing everything. And then I also want to do a little video with the kids kind of to see how they feel about the new baby and, you know, all of the feelings that they're feeling and what they want to share. And I have mentioned that I think we have a name, but I really feel like I need to see him. I love the name and I'm really happy with the name and I think it is his name. I just feel like we need to see him. I don't know. With Winston, that was his name for sure. With Layla, that was her name for sure. With Braylee, we had a list, and with Gage, we had a list. And Gage was my very favorite boy name ever. It's like the only boy name that I had from the time I was little that I was like, when I have a boy, I'm gonna name him Gage. But we still went with a list of names. I don't even know what other names would be on that list. Maybe some of the names from our video. There were a couple more that I thought of after we made the video, but I can't think of them now. So I don't know. I think it'll be good for everyone to see him because I was going to do the name reveal, but I just don't know what his name will be. I think that I will film a video with the name that I think we're going to use just so that we'll have it ready. So after we see him, I can put that up right away and do a little name reveal with him. Oh my gosh. But also being okay with the fact that that might be a waste of my time. I don't know. Another thing that I need to do is I'm so happy, I found a bag downstairs in my storage room that has a bunch of baby stuff that I just loved and wanted to keep a hold of. And I put it all in this bag and I just happened to come across it. Thank goodness, because it has the cutest little Jordans that my sister Markel got Winston. And I think he wore them like twice. They're the cutest little baby shoes. And I need to look through that to see if I can find Winston's coming home outfit. Because I thought it would be so cute if the baby wore Winston's coming home outfit. But I don't know if I saved it. I hope I did. I would think that I would. But also we've moved a lot and I always lose things when I'm moving. So I'm gonna look and hopefully we have it. If not, I need to get a little outfit. Hey everyone, it's been like 2.5 days since I last vlogged because I just have not felt good. I've been so tired, just felt yucky. I mean, so many things are happening right now. I have a week left, a little over a week left until I have the baby. So everything's just, you know, not feeling great. I feel like the baby grew like a pound. My belly feels so much bigger, so much heavier, and I just have felt yucky. So just been taking it easy, resting a lot, and trying to put together a little to-do list. Something on my to-do list that isn't a huge deal, but it is gonna be really fun and also very needed is a pedicure. My feet look terrible. I'm now at the point of pregnancy where everything is just swollen. My feet are so swollen, my hands are swelling. That hasn't happened until now, so I'm pretty grateful that I haven't had a lot of swelling this pregnancy, but my feet are swollen. They look terrible. I will do like my hair and my nails myself, but to bend over and try to do my toes and do like a pedicure at all is just out of the question right now. I will pass out. So Layla and I are going right now, so checking that off my to-do list. We've been trying to figure out a day that me, Braylee, and Layla could go, but that hasn't been able to happen. So Layla and I are going today. Braylee is in Salt Lake with Casey. He's at the hunting expo, which is why he wasn't here for Valentine's Day, and he's been gone this week. It's just a really busy time for them. It's so great. I love being there. Obviously not this year. Just driving all that way, and then I don't know, I'm just so uncomfortable, and I knew Casey would worry about me and he has so much going on, so many other things that he needs to focus on, and so to just be able to be here and rest, I think made him feel better and definitely made me feel better. Although I feel bad not being there supporting him, but I'm so proud of him. Are you excited for your pedicure?
Yeah.
Me too. It's cold.
I know. My feet were hurting so bad this morning.
They were, huh?
Yeah.
Mine were swollen, huh?
Yeah.
This morning we woke up and we were like, oh, we are ready for a pedi.
Yeah, because they massage your feet so good.
We'll see you guys after our pedicures. Did I make an appointment for us to get a pedicure? No, I didn't. And we got there and it was very busy. So we did make an appointment. So we have about an hour and a half until our pedicure
Wait, is that
appointment.
an hour and like 30 minutes?
Correct. So we're running into Ulta. I need to get just a couple things and I still have a gift card.
I know.
And yeah, Layla doesn't.
I only have 2 Sephora gift cards, but I'm really happy. But yeah.
Anyway, so we're gonna run into Ulta, see what they have, browse around, and then maybe go get something to eat.
They also just dropped Charlotte Tilbury. I just want to look at it.
You just want to look at it?
Yeah.
You just have to look at it.
Yeah. I'm broke right now, so.
You are broke Sephora kid here. Okay. You're so funny. Okay, Layla, should we do a little haul of what we got? Okay, what did you get?
So I got the bubble cloud surf. Like, I already have, like, the drunk elephant, but I do love the bubble a lot.
Just a moisturizer.
Yeah,
I
like,
have any like
Like
weird
retinol or anything.
Yeah, because we're saying no to that,
Yeah,
right?
No to retinol.
No to retinol.
But we both love this e.l.f. lip oil.
This is something I got.
Well, we both got it.
Well, Layla talked me into it.
Yeah.
Layla knows all of the things that I should be.
No, this is a dupe
getting.
of the Dior, and it's like $62. Who wants to buy that?
Nobody.
Yeah, nobody. I just love this lip oil so much.
Yeah, we both tried it.
I already have like pink lipstick, so that literally matches like on every day.
Well, that's just gonna go over whatever you have on. It's like basically clear, right?
Yeah.
It does feel really nice. I really do like that. Yay for e.l.f. with the dupes, right?
Yeah.
I went for this really.
Yeah, but
to
then
put in my diaper bag.
But then we saw my favorite one. It smells so good. It's a watermelon.
They only had this one, the aloe.
Yeah, and
lavender. I'm not a huge fan of lavender scent, so
only like it when I go to sleep.
Should we smell this? Yeah, everything else was sold out until we got up to the front. And we even looked up front and we didn't see it until after I had checked out. And then Layla was like, look. Oh, that smells nice though.
I'm jealous.
That
I
actually
love
smells
that
really
smell.
good.
No, I love that smell.
I think people don't buy this because they don't think it's going to smell good, but that smells really good. And I think like fresh for the baby.
Yeah. The baby.
We use a lot of hand sanitizer after you have a baby, and I just heard that this one was really hydrating. And
yeah, because your hands are a little swollen.
My hands are a little swollen right now, but when we have the baby and we're washing our hands all the time and using a lot of hand sanitizer, it's going to dry our hands out.
Yeah.
I got this for us to share.
Because I still have my little bottle.
Yeah, so we'll fill it back up.
It's so hard to open.
It is? Or we'll just share this.
It's so hard to open these because you can't even open it.
So, micellar water. I do love this.
Yeah, I love it so much.
And then I just needed some little makeup brushes, so I got these ones from e.l.f. to blend like my bronzer.
Like we got something else.
I don't think so. That's all. I didn't really need anything. I just needed a couple of things, and so I'm happy with that. Now, did I mention I used a gift card to get that? Because I did. I spent $6 after the gift card, so that was great.
Only $6.
And I now have another gift card for Panera. So we're gonna go eat lunch.
Guys.
I love getting gift cards. Casey always puts gift cards in my stocking for Christmas, and I love it because then for the next few months, I'm just like, do you want to go here? I have a gift card. Oh my gosh, did I also mention that I just have non-stop Braxton Hicks contractions? I've been having them my whole pregnancy, but they're so intense now that I'm like, I have to be like, okay, hold on just a second. And they're not painful like a real contraction, but they're painful as in they're just like so tight, and then he'll be like stuck under my rib, and then everything tightens, and then it pushes on my rib more, and it's just a lot, and it's happening all the time. All right, Layla, let's go eat. Are you feeling like $1 million?
Mm-hmm.
Feeling like $1 million?
Wait, how much?
Do you know what that means? This means like you're feeling good. Are your feet feeling good?
Yeah.
Layla had to put her stinky shoes back on. Layla picked this color. My feet were so ticklish. I don't normally really have ticklish feet. I think because my feet are so swollen. When they were like scrubbing them, I couldn't like control my feet from just flinching. Layla was giggling the whole time because her feet were ticklish too.
They're so ticklish.
Anyway, I got a great massage on my legs. And that, I didn't realize how bad I needed that massage on my legs. He didn't massage my feet as much, but he massaged my legs for quite a while, and I feel so much better. So this week on my to-do list, every single day, I'm gonna make it so one of you guys have to rub my legs.
No,
you know what I didn't think about those. My legs were a little hairy. I was like, I forgot.
My legs aren't.
No, your legs aren't because you're little. Layla picked out a color, and then I picked out the one just next to her so that we would have similar colors. We did like a light purple.
Yeah. I already showed you guys.
Yeah, it was really cute. Now we're just heading home. We had lunch, and anytime I eat, I don't feel good after. So it was a little rough sitting there because after the massage, I had to like, you have to like put your feet up, and so it was like bunching my belly a little bit. So I'm gonna go home and lay down and stretch my belly. So I am feeling a little like, I don't know. And then we'll see where the rest of the day takes us.
Oh, maybe.
It's just gonna be me and Layla.
Buying a car.
Buying a car? Maybe not. So next day, just got home from grocery shopping and I am just having Braxton Hicks contractions nonstop. Like, okay, I've been putting groceries away, and I don't know if you're the same, but when I put groceries away, that's my time that I have to like clean out the fridge and stuff, which I hate. Oh, I hate cleaning the fridge. It's my least favorite chore to do. So I am washing all like the drawers and everything, which needs to be done. Something on my to-do list is to clean the fridge really well. But oh my gosh, my belly's just like so tight and it's really making me waddle. So I think I'm gonna take a little break and have some lunch because I haven't eaten lunch and it's like dinner time at 6:30. Anyway, we have a really busy week this coming week and I'm starting to freak out a little bit. I'm glad that I waited to get everything done until this week for a few reasons. One, it's keeping me distracted from being totally freaked out. It's really exciting. We're gonna be putting the crib up and getting all of the baby's clothes washed and put away and ready to go, which is so exciting. It's just like something that I've been looking forward to. And then also, I have a lot of cleaning to do. And the reason that I'm happy that I put that off is because I only have to do it one time. You know, we've been like cleaning up and doing stuff obviously to try to maintain the home, but I need to do some deep cleaning, which is like wiping down walls, baseboards, you know, all of those things that I definitely don't do as much as I probably should. Layla already told me she would wipe down baseboards, huh?
Yeah.
You're a good
And
girl.
guess what? My competition's next weekend.
It is. Layla has her competition. We have a busy week at the grocery store. The lady said, "You look like you're ready to pop." She just wasn't very nice the whole time we were there. And she's like, "You look like you're ready to pop." And I mean, I know I do. And then she was like, I said, "Well, I only have a week left." She's like, "Well, don't have the baby here." I'm like, I won't.
Guys, these are all
Ooh.
shiny.
Pretty. We got some new crayons and coloring books. And my kids love coloring and doing arts and crafts, and I have not been the best at making sure that we had those things, so kept it real simple. We love Bluey, big fans of Bluey. You can color a picture of Bluey's dad for me. And then SpongeBob.
Wait, Mom, I found a cute guy for you.
You found a cute guy for me? Granddad?
Yeah, Granddad.
Anyway, I think I'm gonna end the vlog. I'm gonna eat some lunch and edit this vlog, get it up. And hopefully next week, Casey and I will get a little update filmed because I really wanna get that up. Like I mentioned, if you have any questions for me and Casey, please leave them in the comments and we'll answer them.
So organized.
Perfection. Yeah, these are cute pastel.
So organized.
Oh, perfect. So organized. Great job, sis. Okay, we'll see you next time.
Bye. Love you.